Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and I want to show you guys my Iron Flask travel mug. What I love about my travel mug is really the design. That's what drew me in. I think that it has a really nice, sleek design, and I wanted to go with a natural wood look. So there's a bunch of different ones, but I chose this one. One of the best things about this travel mug is how secure the lid is and how warm it keeps your hot beverages for hours. So you twist it open like this, and this is what the inside looks like. And the bottom also has a rubber bottom so it doesn't slip. I'll add my cream and sugar, and then I'll add the coffee. And if I'm in a hurry, all I need to do is twist the top on, make sure that this lid here is secure. See, it's snapped. If I forget to bring a stirrer or a spoon to stir my coffee and cream and sugar, all I need to do is this. Even if it were to fall over or if I were to hold it upside down, it is very secure with my coffee inside. I'm the type of person that it takes me hours just to finish the first cup of coffee because I'm just sipping on it over a period of time. And keeping my coffee in my travel mug has kept it hot for 6 hours at least for me. It even came with a little sticker that I put on the mug. I highly recommend this mug, and that's my point of view.